Agno versus LangChain. Which AI framework should you use? Choosing the right AI framework can transform how you build intelligent applications without unnecessary complexity. Agno and LangChain offer unique approaches to AI development and integration. Agno and LangChain are two popular AI frameworks designed to simplify building AI-powered applications. The core difference lies in their approach. Agno focuses on seamless AI orchestration with intuitive workflows, while LangChain emphasizes modular chains to connect language models and external data. Agno is an AI orchestration platform that enables developers to create complex AI workflows without heavy coding. It works by visually connecting different AI models, APIs, and data sources into streamlined pipelines. This approach reduces integration complexity and accelerates development. Agno's strengths include its user-friendly interface, support for multiple AI providers, and ability to automate AI tasks end-to-end. However, it may have limitations when highly customized or deeply technical AI solutions are required, as it prioritizes ease of use over granular control. The ideal user for Agno is a developer or product team looking to quickly prototype or deploy multi-step AI workflows with minimal coding, especially when integrating diverse AI services. Agno's design helps teams focus on building AI-driven features rather than managing infrastructure or complex codebases, making it a solid choice for fast-paced AI projects. LangChain is a modular framework designed to facilitate building applications powered by large language models. It works by chaining together components such as prompts, memory, and external data connectors to create intelligent workflows. LangChain's open source architecture allows developers to customize and extend functionality extensively. Its strengths include flexibility, a wide range of integrations, and strong community support. LangChain excels in scenarios where developers need fine-grained control over how language models interact with data and APIs, making it suitable for complex production-grade AI applications. On the downside, LangChain requires more coding expertise and setup compared to no-code or low-code platforms. The ideal user is an experienced developer or data scientist who wants to build scalable AI applications with precise control over each component. LangChain's design encourages experimentation and customization, making it a preferred tool for teams focused on innovative AI solutions that go beyond basic workflows. Comparing Agno and LangChain highlights a trade-off between simplicity and control. Agno's visual workflow and multi-provider support make it ideal for rapid prototyping and teams prioritizing ease of integration across AI services. It fits well when timelines are tight and coding resources limited. LangChain, on the other hand, offers deeper customization through modular chains, perfect for developers building complex AI applications that require precise data handling and logic. For example, Agno suits a product team automating customer support with multiple AI tools quickly, while LangChain fits a startup developing a sophisticated AI assistant requiring custom memory and API calls. Choosing between them depends on your project's complexity, team expertise, and need for flexibility versus speed. Choose Agno if you want fast, no-code AI orchestration with easy integration across services, especially for prototyping or automating multi-step AI workflows. Opt for LangChain if you need full control over language model workflows and data integration and have the development resources to build scalable, customized AI applications. Both frameworks excel in different scenarios, so align your choice with your project goals and team skills.